Hi, I'm Chef George Mendez, and I'm the owner and executive chef of Ohio Japanese Comfort Food. I also have Tadeo Filipino-Mexican Comfort Food, which is located in Quezon City. I also have other concepts like Bird Tubs and Hatch Manila, which is located also in Quezon City as well. I've been a chef for 10 years and doing a food consultancy for quite a while. At this very moment, I'm very excited because I'll be using world-class quality and reliable Koizumi kitchen appliances. So join me and let's create a delicious yet very easy recipes using Koizumi small kitchen appliances.
Hi guys! The best talagang partner with drinking coffee is something sweet. So I decided to make chocolate moist cake using Koizumi multi-cooker. Yes! You heard it right. We will be using Koizumi multi-cooker for baking. Tara! Let's go! So today we're gonna make chocolate moist cake. So for our chocolate moist cake, the ingredients we're going to use are, first for the sauce, condensed milk, evaporated milk, cocoa, chocolate powder, and cornstarch, and then butter. And then for our cake, flour, condensed, cocoa, evaporated milk, white sugar, vanilla extract, coffee powder, water, salt, baking soda and baking powder, melted butter, and egg. So first step, mix natin lahat ng dry ingredients for the cake. Flour, white sugar, coffee powder, cocoa, baking soda, salt, and baking powder. Next step, mix natin lahat ng wet ingredients. Condense, evaporated milk, vanilla extract, water, melted butter, half of beaten egg. Then mix. Then once fully mixed na yung wet ingredients natin, gradually add our dry ingredients. So, once na mix na natin, transfer na natin siya sa multi-cooker. So by the way guys, Koizumi multi-cooker is very compact, very easy to use with 2.5 liters capacity. Metal uses aluminum alloy, good durability and corrosion resistance. So once na-transfer nyo na, close natin. And then just press rice. Then maybe mga 20 to 25 minutes siya bago maluto. And then for our chocolate ganache, mix evaporated milk, condensed, coffee powder, cocoa, and then yung cornstarch natin. So after natin ma-dissolve yung cocoa and fully mixed na yung ganache natin, we need to reheat it lang with butter until mag-thicken yung sauce natin. So melt lang natin yung butter and then later brown natin siya. So I adjusted the heat dun sa pinaka-high para mas mag-brown yung butter natin. So the reason why nagbo-brown tayo ng butter, we want to have a nutty flavor doon sa chocolate ganache natin. So once naamoy nyo na yung parang popcorn smell, and then let it cool down, siguro maybe 5 minutes. And then once mag-cool down, lalagay na natin yung ganache natin. Add our ganache, So by the way guys, Koizumi induction cooker is 2000 watts, very easy to use. Glass cover top surface, easy to wipe off dirt and clean. Maximum weight is up to 3 kilos including the pot. Metal uses aluminum alloy, good durability and corrosion resistant. Then adjust it sa low. So keep on steering lang para maiwasan natin yung buo-buo doon sa chocolate ganache natin. And so once mag-thicken, pwede natin siyang transfer sa container natin. Okay na, nag-alarm na yung multi-cooker natin. Then check natin. So with our cake, wala na siyang pressure. So safe na safe natin i-open. Pero syempre, maganda pa rin kung dahan-dahan or gradually natin open. Then transfer natin sa plate and then pour our ganache. So let's plate na our dish. Let's get our plate in our Koizumi dish dryer. So this is it, our chocolate moist cake.